some red wine and brew, pretty cool, makes me know I'm an animal. Are you? I got scars on my brain and some bleeding occurred, some freaking holes in my veins just from breathing this world in. Looking around, didn't see any truth, it may be blocked by the neons, cannot see art. All I'm seeing is shoes and jewels and other things, cause the marketing kings know the way to stop peons. Go shop at Neon, 3D TV, the lead brand. Win a trip to the Caribbean, so you can smoke in the sand, feel like a poetic man. Your life is boring and bland, so why not dream on? Wasting your time, does it not seem wrong? Go watch a man smile, guess what kind of crack he's on? Why is that homeless guy rambling on? Why do my friends huff gasoline, huh? Why do we eat pigs but kittens we pamper and love? Why do our leaders don't speak for us, treat foreign lands with a bomb? We give him a second term like it wasn't a problem. Our fake enemies have pride, so we're happy to rob them of it. Our information in the web's stomach, I'm waiting till it vomits, and I bet the fucking feds love it. I'm just trying to grasp the sense of it. To the inventors of beer, wine and weed, you got my thanks for it. They're in the threesome in my lungs and stomach. My body will hit me tomorrow, or right now it's euphoric, and you're just waiting for the chorus to hit. You're about to get horribly pissed, cause it doesn't exist. Red wine beer, 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 red wine, red wine, red wine, red. I'm in a threesome with my nemesis and his mistress. What the hell is my plan? None of your business. Fuck the rich kids, I'm running with misfits. Try to use my brain, the motherfucker's telling me it's his. I'm out of here. Message received. The best medicine fed with impressive techniques. Strutting around like Socrates with lessons to teach. Why won't the city notice me? I'm a cellophane creep. Heart beats while the melody's bleak. My mind is a poem, I'm an elegant freak, you know it. Roaming the streets, not known to preach. Pastors, sidekicks, and priests, they are phony to me.